Okay, this is set 19. Sorry, set 19. The 8-8 hold 32. So coming up the sideline, so let's just pick up. Just do it up and over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice little attitude jump to the back. 5, 6, 7. You'll flourish 8 into cradle. You're going to pass through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're in the middle of the circle. Okay? Then you're going to do the whole 32. You're going to do a flourish. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. You're going to lunge out. 5, 7, 8. Grab palm away. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to grab over here. 9, 10, 11, 12. Up there. 4, 5, 6. You go 17, 18. You do a little backhand. 19, 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. Do a carve up the body. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one 8. This one 29, 30, 31, 32. And let's toss a triple. Okay? Up, 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 squeeze. Okay? And that will take us through the 32 count hold in the center of the horns.